You know, motor theft has become something in the United States that's really disappointing. 9.9 horsepower engines are stolen daily across the country. There's a way to avoid that happening to your motor though, and that's with the Panther Marine outboard motor lock. Now this is a very inexpensive lock that actually goes right across the front of the engine and just locks the two turn handles in place. There's no way anybody's going to break into this quick. Now they may be able to get into it, but it's going to take them time. Somebody's going to see this happening or hear it happening. This is a great piece to have on your boat. It just makes sure that you're not going to lose a $2,500 9.9. Now another option is this stainless steel high-end motor lock from Panther Marine. What this one is it's built more for your saltwater applications. And you know, there's a lot of boats on racks and storage yards. Motors are being stolen nonstop there too. So this is a great piece to have, especially if you've got a boat coming in and out in saltwater. One more thing I want to show you, because people don't think about this, but it's happening too. The big motors. People are trying to steal these big motors every day. This is a simple lock system that goes over one of the bolts that bolts the motor to the transom. And what this is a stainless steel unit that you can actually bolt on. It works for saltwater, freshwater. This will make sure that nobody's going to try to steal that big motor either. And you know, here's the big thing that I think and look at a lot of times too, is not did they get it, but did you stop them from even trying? Because a lot of times a thief will do a lot of damage just trying. Once they see one of these locks in place, they're not even going to mess with your outboard. They're going to move on down the line to the next one. Any one of the Panther Marine motor locks is going to save you a lot of hassle.